So today we'll be talking about what are the signs of fatty liver. So whenever you put on weight around the waist region and there's too much of bloating and enormous amount of gas formation or flatulence, plus there is pain on the right side or on the right shoulder, that's the time we can understand that there could be some problem with the liver. First and foremost, get your sonography done. That reveals what grade or if there is any problem with the liver. And the things that can be done, the lifestyle changes which can be done to reverse the fatty liver are basically you need to stop all things which are rich in sugar. So sugary drinks have to be stopped, processed food has to go down, you have to maintain your weight, that's the most important thing, and have a good sleep. So basically it's to strengthen the liver function, and also not to forget you should get your liver function test done. So any of your enzymes which are elevated would definitely show that the liver function is poor. So it's time to get do the corrective measures so that we can reverse this ailment, and it is very well reversible. So also we need to emphasize here that the warning signs that can lead to fatty liver are in case you're having insulin resistance or you're having high cholesterol. So basically if any metabolic disturbance is setting in your system, that is the time the fatty liver surfaces, and this is an indication, a warning sign to change your lifestyle habits so that we can stop this progressive problem.